All right, we are back. This is Mr. Short. We are working on Eureka Math Squared, second grade edition, Module 4, Lesson 2. Hey, you made it to Lesson 2. Congratulations. We're on page 13 and just page 13 today, so you got lucky. Good for you. All right, we're going to do some adding today, it looks like, to find the unknown. What the unknown is? Well, that's the number that we're missing. All right. It's in different spots all over this, but it's still the number we're missing. I'm going to pick some different ones on here to help you out with because I'm not going to do all your homework for you. All right. So number one, we have 146 plus 30, 146 plus 100, and 146 plus 130. So we can break these down a bunch of different ways. You can do your number lines like we've been doing right now. So if you do a number line for this first one, I'm getting bigger. So I'm adding to 146. So I'm going to put 146 and I'm going to do plus 30, but I want to break 30 down to 3 10s. So I'm going to go 10, 20, 30. So I'll go plus 10, and plus 10. So we're adding to the 10s, and the 4 is in our 10 spot right now, right? Just like that 4 right there. So what is 146 plus 10? 156. What is 156 plus 10? 166. And what is 166 plus 10? What is it? 176. So you put that 176 right there, and that is our answer. Good job. The next one, you got to add 100. You can make that one jump. You draw your number line, put 146 on there, make 100 jump where you're just adding this 100 plus this 100. Don't forget, I know parents out there, this is how most of us learned how to do it. There's still nothing wrong with this if it's easier for you, right? To find the answer here. It doesn't tell us how to find it. It just tells us to find it. So we could have 0 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 0 is 0. I'm sorry, it's 4. I'm losing my mind today. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer here is 246. Now the last one, they want you to take 146 and combine or add 130 to it. You're combining almost these two answers, sort of, kind of, because you added 100 here. You added 30 here. So figure out what your answer is going to be for that one. All right, over here we're subtracting. We're going the other way, going backwards. So when we go backwards, we want to put our 87 over there on our number line, and we're going to go back 50. 50 ends with a 0. Let's make 10 jumps. So we need 5 10 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. All right. So 87 minus 10. Remember, we're taking 1 away from the 10 spot. So that would be 77. 77 minus 10, take 1 away from the 10 spot, 67. 67 minus 10, 1 away from the 10 spot, 57. 57 minus 10, 47. 47 minus 10, 37. So we stopped at 37. That is our answer. All right, the next one, I want you guys to do on your own, these two. All right, I'm going to jump down here. I'm going to take 563 plus 70 plus 30 plus 10. Again, do we see an easy, wait, look at this. If we put these two together, what do we get? That's what it's telling us here. If we put these two together, what can we move down there? What's 70 plus 30? If you get rid of those zeros, and what's 7 plus 3? That's right, it's 10. And bring back 1 0 because we had 0 over 0. So we have 100 right there. 70 plus 30 is 100. That's how we got to here. And look at this answer right here. We put those together. Look at those two went there, this went there. That means this answer goes up here. 8, 7, 3. All right? They're just trying to see if you're paying attention. That's it. They're just trying to see if you're paying attention. So down here, we have 400 420 plus 360 equals blank plus 700. So you need to find the missing number on this. So what I would do, if it's me, this is just a suggestion for you, I would take 420 plus 360. All right, we have no borrowing, no carrying, nothing on this one. Nice and easy. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 3, 7. But they don't want that answer. They want us to know this and this is 780. We need this and this, because it says equals, also needs to equal 780. So we have 780. We need to minus, do the opposite to find the missing number. Minus 700. So 0 minus, if you have 0, you take away 0, you get 0. If you have 8 and you take away 0, you have 8. If you have 7 and you take away 7, you have 0. So there's our number. Look at that. 80. Now these balance out. It's the same on both sides. 780, 780. You're going to need to do this bottom one the same way. All right, remember how we did this to help you with the bottom. And on the back, there is no back. One page again today. It's 2 days in a row you guys got lucky. Good for you. All right, I'm out of here for today. I hope this helped. I hope it's working. Remember, first, last class number. Help your teacher out. Have